Hello and welcome to Chrome Story. Here we talk about Chrome OS and Chromium based browsers including Chrome. Now in this video I want to show you how to change time on your Chromebook. So to change time zone or time on your Chromebook, you start by opening the settings app and then go to system preferences, and then under date and time you choose time zone, and then it is set to automatically choose the time zone based on your IP address. It uses your IP addresses to determine your location and then sets time zone accordingly. But if you want to change it, you choose from the list and then you select your time zone, right? So that changes your time or time zone rather to the location that you want it to show. So once again, go to system preferences, and under date and time choose the time zone and change it from choose from list drop down. Right, I hope you found this little tutorial useful. If you did, click that like button and that lets me know that you found it useful. All right, thank you.